In this video, I'll go over the two variations of project number 3 from chapter 5 of my book, The Ultimate Beginner's Guide to the 555 Timer. This is not meant to be an instructional video, but as a reference to check that your completed circuit is working as intended. Project 3. After pressing switch number 2, LED 1 should turn on and LED 2 should be flashing at about 15 Hz. Both should turn off after about 5 seconds. Project 3A. When LED 2 is exchanged for a small speaker, pressing switch number 2 should now turn on LED 1, and you should hear a low clicking noise from the speaker of about 15 Hz. Again, both should turn off after about 5 seconds. If this video has made you curious about the 555 timer, and if you don't already own my book, please click on the link to purchase it. Also, be sure to check out my other 555 timer videos in the playlist. Thanks for watching.